This is Sarfazan, and today we are going to dissect the cow brain. It's a mammalian brain, and I'm going to show you the different part of the brain. You can see here, this is the largest part of the brain, and this section is known as cerebrum. Cerebrum is basically the largest part of the brain, and it's the part of the forebrain, which basically brain has three parts: forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain consists of cerebrum. So this is the largest part of the cerebrum. You will find this structure. This is known as cerebellum. It's a part of the hindbrain. It's a back, at the back side of the brain, and below this you will find the brain stem. This is the brain stem, and in this brain stem you will find this area which is known as bone, and this brain stem finally connected with the spinal cord. It directly connect with the spinal cord, and spinal cord is present here. If we cut the brain in the middle portion, or if we change the position of the brain, we can see the other side of the brain. This is the lower side of the brain, and this is the upper side of the brain. You can see here, this is the upper side of the brain, and this is the lower side of the brain. So this is what the bone, and you will find the medulla oblongata. This structure is known as bone. This is medulla oblongata, and then you will find the brain stem, and finally spinal cord. Okay, so the cerebrum of the brain, this is the cerebrum of the brain, is divided into two parts: the right and the left cerebrum. इसे हम cerebral hemisphere भी कहते हैं, the right and left cerebral hemisphere. If we cut the brain, okay, you will find the very fine, delicate membrane, the surface membrane. Or since you can see here, the brain covered with the help of very fine membrane, and inside the membrane you will find a fluid which is known as CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. You will find blood vessels on the surface of the brain, and supply of nutrient to the brain cells. And the brain consists of which type of cells, or which cells design brain? Yes, you are right, neurons. Okay, students. Now you can see I'm going to show you the middle section. I've cut it longitudinal section of the brain. So you will find the inner area of the brain. This is, I cut it. I cut this portion also so you can understand. In your course book, you will find the same diagram. This is a very clear portion. So you can see here, this is the cerebrum, This is cerebellum, and it's a leaf like, it will find different veins like structure, so it's different from this one. This is cerebellum and this is cerebrum, spelling very close. This is brain stem. This structure is known as pone, and after the pone you will find medulla oblongata. This is medulla oblongata, this is pone, this is cerebellum, this is cerebrum. Okay, now look at, focus on this portion. This area is known as thalamus. This is the thalamus, and below this you will find the hypothalamus. And the hypothalamus is the area from where you will find a hormone ADH, which controls the water balance, or osmoregulation, controlling osmoregulation. And you will also find different hormone producing in this area of the brain. And there is also a gland which is known as pituitary gland. We need to see the pituitary gland, position pituitary gland. It's present at the base of the brain. So you can see here, this is a kind of a gland present here, pituitary gland, and this is the whole internal area of the brain. Okay, thank you.